Alright, so this side is now done. Got the new plugs in. I ended up breaking the back plug, the nylon or not nylon, whatever the glass crap is, because it was in there tight, so I had to use a cheater bar on it, but got it off. Now I'm going to do the plugs, or the wires actually. I have the new set of wires right here, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one wire off, measure it, find the exact same size in here, and put it on. So that's all I'm going to do. Just take it out of the box. Alright. So this shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to take the easy one, which is the very small one right here, and that is this middle wire right there, and that runs up, down, and goes right onto the I don't remember what it's called, point thing or whatever. But yeah, so I'm going to set you down and get the wire and go on from there. Alright. And it looks like it doesn't matter which end you put on there. So I'm just going to pop off the middle one. Plug the new one in. Let's see. The smaller one right here is going to go. This boot needs to slide down a bit. There we go. Pop the old wire off. Alright, that one's done. Now I'm going to take the number 1 spark plug wire right here, take it off and find the right size, and just keep doing that. Alright, so I'll get back to you when I finish these 3 right here, those 3 down there. Alright.